Sack plank pose or Vasisthasana is a challenging asana that strengthens the abdomen, legs and arms. The name comes from the Sanskrit Vasishtha meaning wealthy and asana meaning pose. Vasishtha is also the name of several different yoga sages, including an author of Vedic hymns and one of the 7 rishis. To enter the pose, begin in a strong and well-aligned plank pose. Then inhale, roll the body to the left. Align the left shoulder on top of the left wrist. Lift through the side body and raise the right arm to the sky. Make sure the hips are stacking on top of each other. Once balanced, stack the feet at the arches and gaze at the right hand. Triceps of both arms are firm. Feel the muscles across your shoulder blades flex from your thighs and press through your heels into the floor. These actions help to keep the body balancing sideways. Hold in the final position for as long as is comfortable, breathing normally. To release, inhale to plank pose. Exhale, knees lower down. Inhale, Vajrasana.